Hi there. We're going to talk about fact families at the first grade level. Fact families establish the relationships between numbers, and it helps children understand how numbers are related. A fact family is made up of 3 numbers. Just as in any family, the numbers are related and there are always at least 4 math facts to be made with them. Let's take an example. In the fact family, say we do the fact family 7, 3, and 10. These numbers are related because you can add the first 2 to get to the last number. You can also switch the first 2 numbers and you get the same last number. This is what makes it this fact family relationship. Once your child learns the fact families, it's easy to recognize what family member is missing in a problem. Say we had the 7 plus an empty number here and we had 10. If your child knew from previously that 7 and 3 equal 10, they could complete this addition problem. Now, when your child learns all the fact families, they can also do subtraction problems. 10 minus what equals 3? The child should know that part of this family is the number 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Now, as your child is learning about fact families, they can use a fact family house. In the fact family house, they would put their numbers that they learned. Let's continue to use the same example. We had 7, 3, and 10 as a fact family. The first problem we knew was 7 plus 3 equals 10. We talked about switching the first numbers to still equal the last number. That would show us 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now in subtraction, we'll start with the sum, but we can subtract either number first. Let's start with 7. The child would know that 10 minus 7 leaves the family member of 3. And now if we did 10 minus 3, we would know that 7 is also left. Thanks for watching.